good morning. Wow, I look so good at the moment. Really hope this is focused. I can't tell because my glasses are like casting a glare. If I take my glasses off, I can no longer see, but it'll probably focus better. Anyways, hi, good morning. How are you doing today? It is 7 a.m. I woke up at 6. I've been just like chilling in bed for the last hour, going through Instagram and TikTok. Today it could either be a fun day or a really boring day because I have an appointment to get my extensions put back in today. But it's supposed to be raining super bad today. We're supposed to get the rains from Louisiana from the hurricane. So we're gonna kind of see if I can go get my extensions put in today or not. But I'm going to get up and get my day started. I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick, so I'll talk to you after the shower. I've been wearing this onesie to sleep every night for like the past week, and I love it so much. It's from Skims, but I really love it. I really want it in black as well, but it feels so nice and it's so comfy. Hiya! Okay, so we're making breakfast. I wanted to do a couple of like TikTok breakfast hacks that I've seen. And yes, I'm eating this for breakfast. I'm not much of a real breakfast person. Like, I like pancakes and eggs and stuff like that every now and then, because I know in one of my last vlogs I did make that, but it's not my favorite thing. So I got a tortilla, just like a regular flour tortilla. And all you do is take some shredded cheese. I have Mexican 4-style shredded cheese. I think you could do whatever you wanted, but then you just kind of put some on 1/2 at the bottom of 1/2, and I like a lot, so I put a lot. And then you fold it once in half this way, and then you take both sides and just fold it in, just so it kind of meets in the middle, and it should look like this when you're done. And then it's gonna go right inside your toaster. Make sure it's pretty flat, because my toaster, yours might work, but mine won't work if it's too thick, so I'm gonna have to flatten mine out a little bit. Okay, and then you just do like that. I have mine set to like a little over 4, just because I don't like my stuff to be too crunchy. And then I just leave that there until it's like nice and melty on the inside. And then I can see the backside right here, and I wait till it's a little toasted. Making a quesadilla inside a toaster. I've done my makeup, as you can see, but like as I was in the middle of actually doing my makeup, I got a text from my hairdresser, and she said she wanted to move my extensions until tomorrow, so I got ready for no reason, but that's fine because it's supposed to be really bad outside today. Like, it's supposed to be pretty dangerous. It's probably for the best. And I'm ready, so I can like film like some real videos or some TikToks. Also, I want to show you these really pretty flowers that I got yesterday. Look how pretty. I have never seen roses this orange before. It might not be real, like they could be dyed, but I hope they're not. Like, I hope these are real. They're very, very pretty, and I like them quite a lot. So yeah, today is going to be definitely more of a chill day. I think what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a lot of those recipes. I think what I'll make for lunch is I think I'm going to do like some homemade chicken nuggets. I'm trying to decide if I want to do like homemade chicken nuggets or I don't know, something else. There's like this shrimp recipe. It's like a firecracker shrimp spring roll kind of thing, and oh man, it's so good. I've already made it twice, and I don't know, I might even make it today again. It was really good. I really like it, but I haven't decided yet. Today is gonna be more of like I tried TikTok recipes. This is it for now, but I'll let you know when something else interesting happens. I'm very wet. It's very, very rainy outside today. I actually just finished getting lunch. I know that I said that I was going to film my TikTok recipes or whatever, but I think I'm gonna put a couple of days into this vlog. I was craving Taco Bell for lunch, so I got Taco Bell. And then for tonight, I'm really craving Buffalo Wild Wings. So I might put off the TikTok recipes until tomorrow, but I won't make you wait like a long time to see them. I don't think I'm gonna vlog very much else for the rest of the day today, because pretty much all I'm gonna do for the rest of the day is edit my reel video that I just made for Instagram. I haven't decided yet. If I make a TikTok dinner tonight or like a recipe, then I will film it. If I don't, then I'll be sure to do it tomorrow, because I mean, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. But for now, I'm gonna eat my Taco Bell. I'm very excited about it. She's very wet because she just went outside and it's like raining cats and dogs, so she's wet. I got a Sephora package. So we're doing like a little mini Sephora haul. Will you focus, please? Okay, thanks. Okay, so I'm actually really excited. So the first thing that I got is this right here. This is from Day Hair. I actually have a couple of things from this brand. I have their prickly pear hair oil. I like it a lot, but this is what I got from them this time. I can't really smell anything, but then again, I have like the worst sense of smell ever. There's that. I'm super excited to try this. It just says it's a monsoon moisture mask. I shall use it the next time I wash my hair. Next up, I got another one of these from Olaplex. I've been using this Olaplex number 3. I used it for about a month while I was in Italy and I really liked it. And to go along with that, I got the Olaplex bonding oil. How cute! It's so cute. I like it a lot and I just love the color. I don't know why, it reminds me of honey. How much you're supposed to use, and I'll just do like that. Might as well just go ahead and use some. Again, I can't smell anything. It might have a smell, but I can't tell. Next up, I got this. I am so excited about this. Sol de Janeiro Balm Dia Bright Cream. I love this stuff, and my mom actually commandeered the one that I had here, so I ordered another one. This one is my favorite. Put this on and then even like the day afterwards, my skin is still soft, so this one's my favorite. I think I might have like hyaluronic acid in here as well, but I don't know what's in this. I love it. And then I got one more thing. This is my first ever item from Forever Mood. I'm so jazzed. I can't wait for this. This packaging is amazing. This one right here, it's called We Not Lincoln. And this is of course by Miss Jackie Aina. This is her brand, and the scent on this one, I believe, ooh, it's pumpkin, cinnamon, and whipped cream. So definitely very sweet. Anyways, that was my Sephora haul, my mini Sephora haul. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm gonna go take a shower because I need to get this makeup off. And I'm gonna use that Balm Dia Bright Cream after I get out of the shower. So, bye. Hi, I had to come on here really quick and give you guys an update on these candles. Hold on, let me turn on a light. Hi. All right, so I've just lit my Forever Mood candle and I can smell this. Like, holy I have to get pretty close up on it, but it smells really, I'm afraid that I'm gonna blow it out if I like breathe. That smells really good. Oh my God. It's definitely very sweet smelling. So yeah, I just wanted to give you an update because I said I couldn't smell it earlier, so I can. Good morning. It's the next day. I'm going to get my hair done in the next couple of hours. It's currently 9 and I'm going to get my hair done at 12, so I'll take you with me there. And then I am definitely going to be making my TikTok recipes today. Yeah, I hope you're having a great day so far. And next time you see me, I will have hair. I'm very excited about it. Hello. That was very loud. I feel like I screamed at you. I made it to the hair salon. I'm actually waiting on my hairdresser. She's running 5 minutes behind. She said she was behind some really slow cars. So I've got my hair right in here. It's always so weird when I talk about extensions because I'm like, I honestly don't know. I think that's someone else's hair that I'm putting on my head, you know what I mean? So, because it's real hair for the extensions. But anyways, I will, whatever it looks like, and I'm excited. Hi, I'm back home now. I got my hair done. Let me show you. I've already got into my comfy clothes. No, I did not wear this when it's 100 degrees outside, but look at it. It's a little shorter than last time. I mean, like, it's probably that much shorter. And I really like it though. My extensions are back in. I didn't do anything with the color just because, I don't know, I just didn't want to. But now it's time to make lunch because it is 3:30 and I still haven't made lunch and I'm starving. So don't worry, we are still going to be doing the TikTok recipes. The first TikTok recipe was yesterday, the quesadilla in the toaster. And this is the second one, and the third one I'll do tonight. So all you're gonna need for this recipe is some shrimp. I'm using shrimp, I like shrimp. And also I will leave the creator of this recipe right here because this is not like my original recipe or anything, but some shrimp, some green onion, some egg roll wrappers. These are by Nasoya. These are the only ones that I could find, but the egg roll wrappers that this girl uses I think are better. I'll show you why in a minute. Then you just need 1 egg in the bowl, and then you're gonna whisk it. Alright, so just leave that, and then we'll mess with that again later. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put your shrimp into a bowl and dry them off. Here's your shrimp, and then I just season this with a little bit of salt, pepper, and I use Old Bay seasoning. You can use whatever seasonings you like. That's just what I like to use. A little salt in there, and then a little pepper, and then your Old Bay seasoning. And then your green onion. I've just cut enough that you need for whatever you're using, so I'm just gonna cut out 5. So I've got 5 pieces of green onion, and now you have your egg roll wrapper. And the reason I say these are not my favorite is because they're really big. These are meant for egg rolls. I'm making more of like a spring roll, if you will. There's not as much filling, so they're pretty big. I cut them in half. This way, I cut them in half that way, so they're still kind of like a triangle. So what you're gonna do when you get all the ingredients out, you're gonna take one of your wrappers, get a little bit of your egg wash, and just dab a little bit on each corner. And then you'll take one of your shrimps and one of your green onion and just roll it up like that. I try to leave a little bit of the tail sticking out just because I think it looks cool, and I can tell a little bit better when it's cooked. So that's it. There's your little roll. Look at that. And then you just put it, I'm using the air fryer, so you just put it on your little air fry rack. And then you just repeat this process until you're done. I think the girl that created this recipe, I think that hers comes out so much better than mine, but they still taste really good, so I'm not too mad about it. And if you're watching this and if there's anything that I'm doing wrong, or if you think would be a better way to do it, then please let me know in the comments as well. I mean, I always like to know other ways to do things. So if you have a way that, or if you've tried this recipe, or if you have another way of doing it, then yeah, let me know, because I want to know that. And the last thing you do is brush the tops with a little bit of vegetable oil. I assume maybe you could use other oil. I'm not entirely sure. The recipe that I followed used vegetable oil, so that's what I did. But maybe you could use something else. And then you air fry at 375 for 12 to 14 minutes. And then you're done. And there they go. They're in the air fryer, and they will be done shortly. Hi, you're in my closet. Now my food is cooking. Hopefully you can't hear the whir of the air fryer. But I wanted to show you a couple things I got in the mail today. This is from ASOS. I really wanted some sneakers that were nude. Look at these. I really hope these fit. I ordered a 9. Did they really send me the wrong size? They look really cool, but I even got a 9, and I'm worried that they're like a tiny bit too small. Like, I swear, these must run tiny. And I got a big foot. Maybe I just need to like stretch them out or something, but they look so cool. They look awesome. And like, they're kind of a little too tight on my toes, but they look awesome. Maybe when I walk, they'll get better. These look so dope. Definitely in love with these. I love them. They're so cool. Because like, I always see like the really cool people on Instagram. They have like the nude Balenciagas or something. And I'm not about to spend like $1,000 on sneakers. I got 2 packages from Aritzia, and I've just been really into Aritzia as of late. Like, their stuff is such good quality. Like, look at the bag the clothes come in. Like, this is very fancy. And I got another one of these crew necks because I have one that's in like a baby vomit kind of green olive, and it's really comfy. So I got this one in this like delicious caramel brown for fall. Oh, I'm so excited. And I can wear it with these. Have like a very neutral moment. I'm super jazzed about it. And then this is something new from Aritzia that I've never tried before. The last thing that I got from Aritzia was just this basic white zip-up hoodie. I have been meaning to get one of these in white. I have one that's like a periwinkle color from Light's Label, but I really just wanted a nice white one just to wear with anything. So yeah, those are the things that I got in the mail. And here they are when they're done. They look a little suspicious, but I swear they're good. Like, they're really good. They might have gotten a tiny bit too long in the air fryer, but it's fine. They're still really good, and I would highly recommend this recipe. You growling up. What are you doing? Stop it. Hello. Hi friends, it's much later now and I'm making dinner. For this recipe, it's very, very simple. I actually already had a little bit of it prepared because I made it a couple days ago and I just saved the leftovers. So all I did was just heat up the leftovers. But I can basically just talk you through what I did because it's super easy. The actual creator I'll put right here, and you can watch her video, her TikTok as well. Basically, all this is homemade chicken nuggets, and I just put a few fries over here, and we're just gonna bake this. We're not gonna use the air fryer, but you can, I guess. But for the recipe, she says to bake it. Literally all I did for this, following her recipe, is I used 1 can of canned chicken. Now, do not come for me or her in the comments because canned chicken, you know, it's fine. You can use whatever you want. If you don't want to use canned chicken, just cut up your own chicken and shred it. Like, it'll work the same. This is the canned chicken that I used. I think she used like an organic canned chicken, which is probably better, but this is it. And you just do 1 can of this, a half a cup of cheese. I used mozzarella cheese just because I feel like that would work really well. But she said you could use whatever cheese you want. But you do need to use about a half a cup because the chicken will bind to it, and then you just need 1 egg. So 1 egg. So all you do is mix that in a bowl. This is the bowl that I used to mix it. And then you just form it into little patties like this, like little chicken nuggets, little chicken patties. And then you put it in the oven on 450 degrees for 20 minutes, flipping them at 10. So it'll be in there for 10 minutes on this side, and then you'll flip it to the other side for the other 10 minutes. And then these go in, these are just regular store-bought frozen fries, and these go in at 450 for 12 minutes. So I'll put these in a little bit later than these. So yeah, that's dinner. And there we go. Dinner is served, you guys. I'm gonna eat this and watch Clickbait because I just finished the first episode and it's really good, so I'm excited. Hello, I'm in bed now. It's much later. I'm gonna watch more of Clickbait and then go to bed here in a little bit. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button and subscribe if you have not already, and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I do post daily over here and we have a lot of really fun stuff going on at the moment, so follow me there. And I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!